some basic maintenance that you should do. You can check out the recommendations either seasonally, every 100 hours, or what some people do is when there's a problem. We're talking about spark plugs, and how you'll know you have a problem with them if you're not doing the routine maintenance is that when your engine seems to kind of chug a little bit. The mechanics will tell you that's when it's missing one of the cylinders firing. So you'll be driving along and it'll go one of those sort of things. You're welcome for the sound effects. No extra charge. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you how to change the spark plugs. And on this one, my F40, these are the wires for the stern light. They are right here. There are 3 on this 40 horsepower Yamaha, and pretty straightforward. The only thing usually when you're dealing with engines is access and how to get to them. Not too bad on this one. Let's see if I can do it. Take the little rubber connectors off. See one in here, number 2, and down at the bottom, Tricky Ricky. You'll need you need a spark plug socket, but because it's so compact, we have this magical mystery tool that we just keep on the boat. Should come out fairly smoothly. There you go. You can see that one is all sort of burnt and sparked. That's how it's supposed to look. It's been well loved, well used, but this is the new one. That's gonna fire a lot better, a lot cleaner. And when you put the new ones in, just get it in as tight as you can with your fingers. There are specific torque settings, but the average bear, myself included, does not have a torque wrench for this sort of thing. So once you get it as tight as you can with your fingers, you can use your spark plug socket, and you want a half turn at best on that. You don't want these too tight. And then the final step is you just put the caps back on. 1, 2, 3, good to go. What we need to do is make sure we have our stern light connected. Okay, wires attached, locked. Let's check this real quick. Ah, yeah, we are good to go. All right, final tip if you're doing something like spark plugs, whenever possible, remove the old ones first and take them with you when you're getting the new ones. Service managers, parts departments, they love that stuff because it makes their job easier, and you know you've got the right part because you can compare it right on site and you don't have to make a second trip. I, however, do have to make a second trip because when we took this out of the water to do the spark plugs, I noticed that the sacrificial anodes on this outboard need to be replaced. So spoiler alert, you'll see that next week.